Welcome. You're watching ARH's How-To Video Series. Carmen, Input Image Guide, Basics. ANPR, Rule of Thumb. This rule of thumb states that if a human can recognize the number plate, then Carmen will also be able to recognize it. It is also true, however, that the harder it gets for a human to recognize the number plate, the harder it gets for Carmen too. Based on this, it is strongly recommended to supply to Carmen images where the number plate can be easily recognized by a human. What kind of images to avoid? Based on the previously presented criteria, it should now be clear for you what kind of images you want the camera to present to Carmen for optimal recognition. Images with reasonably good spatial resolution. On the license plate, the minimum character height is 16 pixels for Latin and 20 pixels for Arabic characters. With reasonably good sharpness, with reasonably high contrast, under reasonably good lighting conditions, in a reasonably good position and angle of view. Although reasonably is not an exact definition, it can still be easily understood if you look at these sample images. Allow a few seconds for yourself and take a look at the images. The rule for cropping images. In order to reduce ANPR processing time, some users might decide to process only cropped images. With an image processing program, they can cut unnecessary information out of the image, leaving basically only the number plate on the image. The rule to keep in mind is to crop the images in such a way that some space is left between the frame of the number plate and the edge of the image. Cutting the number plate out of the image exactly along the frame might make it difficult or even impossible for Carmen to recognize the plate. Thanks for watching. For more videos, check our channel and don't forget to subscribe.